Hi guys, welcome to I Review Beauty channel, the encyclopedia of beauty brands. If you're new, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and put the thumbs up to this video. And if you want to try something new for your skincare, I would talk today about this product. So this is the Dr. Andrew Weil's 4 Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion, like one of the longest name of the lotion you could probably find. So this is 6.5 ounce bottle, and why I say try something new and not typical, it's because of this whole mega mushroom complex. So this product is obviously pH balanced and was very important for the toner. Lotion is pretty much the toner. It's not. It's liquid, hydrating toner. It doesn't contain alcohol, so it's very light. It's really refreshing, but not like you get this whole mentally feeling of coolness to your face. Not in that way. So it also really reduces the visible redness and restores resilience, and obviously hydrates. So the product contains natural ingredients which may settle, so it's very important to actually shake it very well before you're going to use it. You could use it either morning and evening, but if let's say you have oily skin, you can definitely go ahead and use this product, no problem. Oily skin also needs hydration, but if you're also suffering from like excessive blackheads and whiteheads, I would recommend you to get a second toner. In this case, something that would be exfoliating or really good cleansing toner, because this product alone for the oily or acne prone skin will not be enough. I would also say that it does not say here if you could use it around the eye area, but I believe that it has no alcohol and all the soothing ingredients. You could definitely give it a try, or just buy it for that purpose. Also, when you're using a toner, don't just stop here. You could use the toner down here, and even you can use it on your hands. So this product is pricey, so I cannot say it's a lifesaver for people, but a lot of people have good reviews. You can go ahead and read about that. So this is it's around $30 or something, but a little really goes a long way, especially if you don't use it daily. So, or you just use it once a day. Anyways, guys, I wish you all the best. If you like this video, put a thumbs up. Wishing you, and I'll see you later. Bye.